Hey everyone, today's daily pattern is called Queasy. I've already done this one on one of my beginner videos, and I will go ahead and put a link to the beginner video. However, since I've done this one already in a video, I thought I would try it on some black. So that's going to cause my camera to have some issues because of the black, and at least until I have something on the page for it to focus on. I'm going to use this Uniball Signo pen and just start. So I apologize if my camera goes funky because it doesn't like the black without something else to focus on. So this one is basically a circle and another circle. We'll do that a couple of times, 2 or 3. 3 is good. That makes a nice number. Just have to be careful that I don't smear when I'm doing my drawing, so I will definitely have to do a lot of turning of my page. And then you aura that. Like so. And you do it again. Thusly. And then you just keep adding, and it grows sort of organically. I really like this one because it's easy to just have it do whatever it is it's going to do. A little bit close with that one, but that's okay. And then you just go around the whole thing again. Just make the aura. And it really doesn't matter where you put your little circular bits. No matter what you do, it comes out really cool. Just remember to turn your page, especially if you're using white pen on a dark surface, because these white pens do smear. So you don't want to put your hand over across the top of it. And then what you can do, I'm going to try, I've already done it like this. So I'm going to try whatever she's done here with putting these like sparkly bits with the aura. So I'm going to try that. So I'm going to put one right here. I have one right here, and one over here, and kind of make an out radius type of a thing. Not exactly sure what I'm doing yet, but it will come to me as I draw. Something like that. And then when I go around to aura it, I want to leave a bit in the middle. Wherever there's a good bump. I want to leave an opening. Like that. See what that does. You know, I am really hungry. And my tummy just told me that. I hope you didn't hear it. Okay. I'm gonna do something like that. And then we'll just continue that same thing happening here. I think I'm going to need more auras to make that kind of come alive, and you can really see the sparkly bit. I think I might have made my openings too big though. We'll see what happens. Might be alright. Especially on the dark paper, it might be all right. Okay, I'm just going to do that again. Okay, that's different. I'm not sure if I like it or not. But just definitely give me that queasy feeling. That's for darn sure. Okay, I think I'm gonna do one more round, but I'm gonna add a couple. I'm going to add one there. I'm going to add one here. Yeah, and we're just going to really make this full of... Yeah, and those I don't think I got close enough to each other. I think I've got them a little bit wide. Excuse me. Make them a little bit smaller, especially this one. Okay. All right. Around and around we go again. So this one's pretty easy. That's why it's in my beginning, our beginning videos, beginning lessons. It's definitely an easy beginner pattern. All it requires is a few circles and some lines that just go around and match. You just keep building one upon the other. Okay. Oh, I forgot to leave an opening on that one. Oh well, that one doesn't get one. Okay. Matter of fact, I think I'm about done with making, or I mean, yeah. What do I want to do? Keep going? Okay. This is a bigger tile. This is a 6x6 tile, so it is going to take me a little longer to draw this one out than a smaller tile. Like here. No, here. And over here. Just add them as you feel like it. How did that happen? I'm not sure how that happened. Somewhere along the way, didn't go all the way around. Oh, that's weird. Okay. All right. Something didn't line up somewhere. And I'm not too sure where. That's bizarre. Okie dokie then. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Somehow I'm off one. How did that happen? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. Oh well. Well, we will just disguise it by putting one right here. I'm going to put another one. I'll put another one right here. These are going to be really kind of busy, but that's okay. And then I'm going to go all the way around the whole thing. I'm going to stop the sparkles by just going around the whole thing. So I'm going to start here, I think. That was a long way to go. Well, that's something I learned, that when I do those little sparkly auras, I have to be really careful where I'm starting and stopping, because it's easy to get confused and to have the sparkle not go quite right. Okay, one more time around. And then we're going decide what we're going to do with the outside. I think I'm about done with the Queasy part. That didn't get connected. All right. Alrighty then. Note to self. This new camera sucks up battery when doing video. Alrighty, so I'm back. I had to have a little mishap there. I was just thinking of what I want to do to this next, actually. I think I'm going to make that type of a shape coming out. Going different directions. Do sort of a little drop or water or teardrop shape. It's like it's a big, wet, gooey, queasy sponge thing. Here maybe? And here. And maybe one more coming out. Ooh, what the heck is that? That's not either shape. Alrighty, guess I gotta come around this way. Alright. That's all right. That one needs something. Okay, I'm gonna do it in the middle like that. And then I'm gonna go around and aura one more time, I think, just to tie those all in together. This just shows that you don't have to have that same round shape to do the same technique. For the pattern, it would look, if I'd started the whole thing with these like teardrop shapes and just gone around, it would look totally different, but similar. You would recognize it as Queasy-like due to all the auras. It's kind of cool. Okay, is that enough? I think that's enough. That looks really awesome. My eye is just going woo. I don't know if it's doing that to you on the screen, but I'm having a really hard time. I think that's why she named it Queasy, that's for darn sure. I'm decided if I want to do some sort of highlights. I don't think so. I think I want to leave it just as it is. I think I may. Well, let me sign it somewhere. Not a very tidy signature, but that's okay. I am going to use a bit of white pencil. Where'd my white pencil go? Oh, goodness sakes. My white pencil has disappeared. Uh-oh. Ah, found it. No, not white. Changed my mind. I'm gonna go with this kind of silvery blue. And I'm gonna just go around the outside. And give it just a little bit. Not sure I would call it shading. Well, I guess it's shading. Just give it a little bit of a glow. I think it's interesting. I seem to have instinctively just given less of a glow on one side and more of a glow on another to kind of give you the illusion that the sun is, that there's light coming from one side. And I didn't even really notice I was doing that. It just kind of instinctive, just happened. And with these colored pencils on the black page, you really need to actually just put them where you want them, because the pencil doesn't really spread. You could try it. Let's see. Let me try it, but it doesn't really. I guess I could soften the edge a little. It does kind of soften the edge. Let me go around and do that just a little bit. I didn't think it really would do much good, but and you might not be able to see it on camera, but I can see it in real life, and since I can see it, I want to fix it. Make it all the same anyway. Once I started, I kind of have to just commit and go around the whole thing. And it's just softening the edge just a tiny bit. You still pretty much have to commit that where you want it is where it's going to go. There's not a lot of movement. It's not like I'm pulling the color out like I do with the pencil. But it is softening the edge just a little bit. There we go. All right, I think I'm done. It's one glowing, it's kind of hard to see with the light, the way it goes. One glowing, Queasy, black and white thing. I like it, but I'm not too sure exactly what it is, but I like it.